One of the common things you'll be doing whilst working in Excel, no doubt, will be deleting or editing data. Now, you may want to delete a date that's in a cell and overtype a number. And what happens is that you get a date back. Why is that? Well, actually, you've deleted the surface of the cell that you can see, but you haven't actually deleted the underlying code behind it. So pressing the delete key is not really the right thing to do whilst working in Excel. What you need to do is use this magic little button over here called clear and clear all. And now if I put a number in, I get a number because I've deleted the format and the contents of the cell and the underlying code behind it. So it's the same here. If I was to press delete and then overtype, I still get italics and red and underline because I haven't physically deleted the code. So what I need to do is use this clear button again. Now, to make this a little bit more accessible, right click on it, add it to your quick access toolbar. So now when I want to use clear, it's up here, and all I need to do is clear all. So the moral of the story is to not use the delete key and get into the habit of using the magic little clear button.